Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I've set a blue, white, and yellow tablescape. Blue and white is a classic, but you don't have to use the color scheme by itself. I've added in a bright sunny yellow. So let's take a look around the table. For this tablescape, I'm using a sunny yellow tablecloth that I picked up at eBay. I'm also going to pair with it my whitewash chargers. I use these a lot, but they're very versatile. I got them at Hobby Lobby. And for my dishes, I'm using these pretty blue and white plates that I found at Dollar Tree. Proof that you don't have to spend a lot of money to have pretty dishes. And I also have the salad plates. I just love this bright blue and white floral pattern. I'm going to be using my gold flatware today. And for the stemware, I have these pretty cobalt blue glasses. I got these a year or so ago on eBay. And I have these lovely blue and white glasses that I picked up at Hobby Lobby this year. I think they're so pretty with the white and the blue shades. They sort of make me think of melted marbles. And I also have the iced tea glasses that I got at Dollar Tree. These match the plates. I'm going to use my blue dinner napkins. And in lieu of a napkin ring, I have these cute little gold dragonflies. They're really not napkin rings. I picked these up at Walmart on clearance. I guess they're table decorations. They had dragonflies and some other grasshoppers and, well, things that were too bug-like. But I like the dragonflies. I thought if I ever found a napkin ring that was gold, I might affix them to them and use them as napkin rings. But in the meantime, I'm just going to use them as a decoration here and place them on the center of the napkin. For my centerpieces today, I've used two floral arrangements from my store, Rose Tree Interiors. And these are my design. They're just simple with white orchids, and I have some fern, green berries, and artichokes. And they're in pretty blue and white containers. And here in between them, I've just placed a blue and white melon jar. At this corner, I have a pretty octagon blue and white teapot. You guys know I like to use my teapots. Even if I'm not doing tea, there's always a teapot on the table. And strewn here around the table, I have these little white pedestals, and I've put some blue votives with white candles. And I also have some that I've placed some little blue and white birds on. Here's one of the little birdies. At this end, I've got another blue and white teapot. I just love these dishes. I thought the colors were so vivid, the deep blue against the white, and you don't have to necessarily spend a lot, like I said before, to find cute dishes. I think these look like they could have come from Target or even a department store, but they were only $1.25 a piece. Here at this corner, I've got a blue picture. I'm pretty sure it's a reproduction, but it's made to look like some of the old Depression glass. I found it at Goodwill. And this bright yellow tablecloth is proof that no color is out of bounds for me. I love color, especially on a tablescape. Here we've got another pedestal with a birdie. And guys, I did a tablescape that used the pretty parrot green with blue and white. You guys, I'll put a link at the end of this video if you want to see it. But you can pair other colors with the blue and white. Sometime I need to pair red with my blue and white. That would be pretty for the 4th of July or even Christmas. At this end of the table, I've got a vintage milk glass cake stand, and I've just placed a dome or cloche on top of it. But don't forget, when you're getting out your blue and white, you can add other colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.